Zero index. Let's go to examples and see how we get the zero index. Remember we said in division that for division of a base, let me recall division here, it says that when you have a base, the same base, and they have powers, you keep the base and subtract their powers. Okay, so recall this rule. The zero index is applying division also. So we have an example: 2 to a third power divided by 2 to a third power. What does the rule of division say? You will keep the base and subtract their powers. So 3 minus 3 gives us 2 to the 0 power. Okay, now 3 to the 0 power is actually 1. Okay, so that is what we do. So let's see how this works out. Let's take this same example. This, if we expand this out so we can see how we get that particular one. This is saying 2 at the top times 2 times 2 divided by 2 at the bottom 3 times. They cancel with each other, giving us 1 still. That is to say that any base to a 0 power is always 1. So let's try it with letters now. Will it work? Well, if there's a trend and it's a rule, then it should work also. So if we have m to a third, not to the fourth, let's use a different number, divided by m to the fourth, that should be m times m times m times m over m times m times m times m, which is equals, well, the m's will cancel out, giving us here 1, because this will give us 1. Whenever you cancel out everything here is 1. So we could have easily said that m to the fourth divided by m to the fourth, that is to say m4 minus 4, which is m to the 0 power, which is 1. So then, let's put a rule here. Any quantity raised to the 0 index is equal to 1. Okay, so let's determine now. Let's do some exercise. Determine the value of each of the following. Consider that you have 5 to the 0 power. The solution is, if you said 1, you're correct. Next one, a letter z to the 0 power is, if you said 1, you're going correct again. If you have 100 to the 0 power, and if you said 1, you're going correct. D, if you have a letter to a 0 power again, if you said 1, then you're going correct. Now, if you have a fraction with a letter inside or a next number, it doesn't make any difference. So long as everything is within the bracket being raised to a 0 power, and if you said the solution is 1, then you're going correct. 4, and this is index, 0 index.